Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make the Senegal twist. Like, I'm going to be showing you how to make Senegal twist the right way. We're making the right and then the left, because there are two ways you can make this twist. Is either you twist it to the right or you twist it to the left. So first of all, I'm going to be braiding the hair that I want to use, and braiding it. Then I'm going to go ahead and then crochet the extension on the hair that I've braided so far. So after crocheting it, I'm going to twist to the right. So I'm making the right twisting first, so I will twist to the right. Just look at the way I'm doing it and you're going to get it. So guys, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, my name is Alapis Corner, and in this channel I give a tutorial on hairstyles. Please do well to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have not subscribed, subscribe to be part of this amazing family. So the second method of twists is the same method I used. I'm going to braid the extension, the hair that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to crochet the extension on the hair that I've braided. Then I'm going to twist to the left, and make sure your twists are always tight to get a perfect twisting. You know, when you dip it inside hot water, so that it won't fall, like it won't fall flat. So guys, watch and enjoy the video, and I'm going to see you at the end.